In today's video, I'm going to teach you how QuickBooks Payroll works. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up payroll, add employees, run paychecks, handle payroll taxes, and pull the right reports all inside QuickBooks. Let's begin by logging into your QuickBooks account. From the left menu, open Payroll. If this is your first time, click Get Started and walk through the setup. You'll be prompted for your business details, including your employer identification number, address, and tax information. Enter these carefully. Accurate setup here prevents payroll errors later. You'll also add employees with their full names, addresses, pay type, and rate, and their tax information from their W-4s. While you're here, consider enabling direct deposit. It's optional, but highly recommended for speed and convenience. Before moving on, pause to review all tax details and pay information to make sure everything looks correct. Once your company profile is in place, head to Payroll, then Employees to add or update team members. Select Add an employee, then fill in the essentials: hourly or salary pay rate, the pay schedule like weekly or bi-weekly, tax withholding details, and bank information if you're using direct deposit. Save your changes. It helps to align your pay schedule with your accounting periods and confirm with employees that their banking details are current. When it's time to pay your team, go to Payroll and choose Run Payroll. Pick the correct pay schedule, enter hours for hourly workers, and review what QuickBooks has calculated. You'll see wages, taxes, and any deductions. QuickBooks automatically computes federal and state taxes, Social Security, and Medicare, and other deductions based on the data you entered earlier. Take a moment to verify overtime, bonuses, or paid time off are included as intended. When everything looks right, click Submit Payroll. If you're using direct deposit, make sure you're submitting by the cutoff so pay lands on the intended pay date. Next, handle payroll taxes by opening taxes and selecting payroll tax. Review the amounts due, and if your plan supports it, click Pay to process them. Depending on your subscription, QuickBooks can also file and pay these taxes automatically. Even with automation, it's good practice to check due dates and confirm your bank has sufficient funds. Finally, generate the reports you need. Go to Reports and search for Payroll Summary for a high-level view, Payroll Details for line-by-line breakdowns, and the Tax Liability Report to see what you owe. Download or print them as needed, and consider saving your favorite reports with preset date ranges for faster month-end reviews. That's it. Your